Hello, this is Bob Speedman coming to you from the All About the Smokies news desk with some breaking news for you. The Guinness World Record Museum in Gatlinburg has closed. The location where it sits today on the parkway will be permanently closed. The building is up for lease. The building is closed due to flooding that happened in March that caused some extensive damage to the property beyond the repairs that they were willing to make. I talked to a representative there that informed me about the flood, but also told me that they do plan to rebuild. They're currently looking for property, and they're going to be building very soon, and no release date as far as when that will reopen, but as soon as we find out that information, we'll bring it to you. Now, in honor of the Guinness World Record Museum, I want to bring to you our review of the museum so you can see what it was like for yourself. We're at the Guinness World Records Museum, and we're going to try to set some records. Let's make YouTube great again.
Highest, bestest, tallest, bestest, strongest, bestest, lowest, lowest.
There are the shoes of Robert Wadlow.
Like if it gives in any
Okay, this is clothes of the world's lightest person. There you go. Alright, Alex is now mixing up the Rubik's Cube. You've seen this guy before. You've seen Riley before on many other people's videos, but we're going to watch him too for our very own eyes, for our own amazement. We will be shocked. We will be amazed. He's got it pretty mixed up. Okay. I'm going to put it down the slot. There it goes. Now here he goes. Now I don't know what that was. I think we broke him. Officially.
Amazing how he can solve it. I think I made it too easy for him, right?
Question for you down in the comments. Have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube legitimately? Not taking off the stickers.
Easy for him.
He's almost got it done. Oh, it looks like he's got it, ladies and gentlemen. He's got to make it straight.
Too easy for him.
Drops it down in.
Too easy for him, right?
Well done, Riley. Well done. Do your dance. Oh yeah. Get down. Get down. Zoltar speaks the truth. I've been told it's the world's largest Zoltar.
I don't believe it's real.
See if we can get a good look at him. He's a big Zoltar. Now he's telling
You
her.
may have heard this, but Zoltar is here to tell you you can believe it. Age is simply a matter of mind. If you don't mind, then my friend, it doesn't matter. So go on, be carefree like a little baby. But first, give Zoltar a little money, and I will give you a fortune.
He's going to attempt a world record for football flicking. And almost.
Okay, now he's gonna attempt it. Oh! He's gonna do it again.
quiet. No, we're not going back. Go this way. We're going back.
Right there.
Okay, I don't know what this thing is. Oh my gosh.
65.
Oh, that's funny. Alright. It's a good looking guy right there. Let's do this.
Let's play whack-a-mole.
I was actually doing it. You're good. You played this when you were little? 250 just like me. Wait, is that the record?
Let's see what I got. 250 in 15 seconds. How does that place against others? Not 15s. I don't know what happened there. Okay. This is pretty cool. How fast can you fill up a gallon of water with fake water balloons? Alex is trying to see how many in 60 seconds, 30 seconds that he can get. That's pretty good. This place is a workout. Record is 90 jumps in 60 seconds, so you have to get... Nice. That's pretty good. Well, it was in 30 seconds. Actually, it would technically be... You beat the record.
I did in the world?
In the world. So much stuff to do here. So much ridiculously amount of stuff to do here. Higher, I'd guess, and hard. But this is so cool. They got basketball hoops over here to do some sort of record for it, but they're free to play. There's frisbee golf. They got all these different games all around here. This is punching as hard as you can to see how many bricks you can break. It's all kinds of stuff in here. It's amazing. All right, Alex is going to press the start. Now it's going to break some blocks up here. Okay, here we go. Okay, do it. Oh, I already did it. Hit start. Push to start. Alright, Alex is going to break some blocks. Let's see what he can do. Let's see. Here he goes. Pressure's on.
3. Let's go. Tap it. No, none make so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19.
Another game, chopping wood simulator. How fast can you chop down 5 trees? You gotta swing higher than that. Higher. There you go. Alright, so let's show you some of they have a Lincoln log challenge. How fast can you stack Lincoln logs? They have rubber band ball challenge. You can build one. Ski ball challenges, I guess, here. Again, all this is with your price of admission. And we came around 7 o'clock on a Saturday night, and this is how busy it is. Look at this. Scrabble. These folks over here are doing a map. There's just so many things. See how fast he can draw and shoot the balloon. Nice. Almost made the leaderboard. Pretty cool game here. It's a kind of a 3D, three-dimensional thing. You have to tap to build buildings. Kind of reminds me of the stacker. Which I'm also not good at. Oh my gosh. He's saying it's too easy. I'm likely getting schooled by a 10-year-old. This is, I don't know if you can tell, this is like a three-dimensional pyramid. 29 stacks. How many did Alex get? He had 46. I had 29. That's sad. Yeah. Alright, the overall review, I think it was a lot of fun. It was definitely worth the money, the price of the mission. It's a lot cheaper than the Ripley's, believe it or not, so I definitely suggest that you try and play it. Alex, what did you think?
It was fun.
We did have a lot of fun. There's a lot to do, and I think definitely for the price of the admission, I think you're definitely going to enjoy it.
Like that.
We tried to break some legitimate records. We did well. We placed in a couple of them, but you know, ultimately we had fun, and I think that's the best thing we could have done.
I beat 3.
Yeah, he placed in 3 different records. So, but thanks for watching. If you've been here before and you had a fun experience, you want to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.